It's really good suction. Hey, Stephen Bugno here from Cycling Alaska, and today we are unboxing the Tenikle, which is this is the new version, the Tenikle 360. This is like a kind of multi-purpose tripod with suction cups, and this is an upgraded version from the Tenikle 2.0. This has better suction and also has this rotating 360-degree head on it. So I'm primarily using this as a tripod for Northern Lights photography and also for cycling with my GoPro. This is what I was using, and this is kind of lesson on not to be cheap, because I'm a cheapskate and I bought a cheap thing and it didn't work properly. And you can see some of these videos where I messed up some really important Northern Lights shots because my equipment wasn't good enough. So we'll get out there and we'll hopefully see some improvements. We'll use it for some Northern Lights photography for the time lapses. And also this new updated version is supposed to have more rigid tentacles, so it should stay upright and work better that way. So now we're gonna unbox this. So I actually wrote to them and said, how do I open this? Which is kind of an embarrassing email to write because should be kind of self-explanatory how to open things, but such a nice box. That's the first thing I realized when I got this. The box is so nice, but there was apparently no way to open it. Like normally you'd like try to get this plastic, and what they told me was just tear the thing apart. I'm still hesitant on tearing it apart because it's such a nice box. So I'm gonna attempt to just pull this plastic out. I mean, look at that. It's just kind of awkward. I am preserving the box, but this isn't pretty. Okay, so I think we got that out. Okay, so let's see what we got. All right. There's our Tenikle. So this is made of silicone, not plastic, and it's supposed to stick to a wide variety of surfaces. There's also surfaces that is not recommended for you to stick to. You can get all that information. So, Tenikle, and then we have this. This is the phone clamp, which I may end up using. Like I said, primarily I want for the GoPro, which they said it would work. This must be the piece to connect it on to. And there are instructions here. So yeah, here's what it's going to look like as a tripod, but of course there's going to be weight on here, so this isn't a true test. And then that's sort of the 360 idea here, and like that. So just a quick test to see. Again, we don't have weight on here, so it's not a true test, but yeah, it's pretty, it's pretty solid right there. It's a glass top, which glass is what it works well with. And that was only one suction cup, so it feels pretty good. Yeah. It's pretty good from the start. We'll have to test this out. Head out to a nice location here in Alaska and do some northern lights photography. Test some time lapses, so I'll show you that. So right now I have the GoPro mounted on the Tenikle, just so you could see what it's like. So this will be suitable for time lapse or filming the biking from the ground, but I wouldn't trust this like hanging off my bike in terms of this part right here. Just jumping. There may be a better way to connect the GoPro to the Tenikle that I just haven't figured out yet, but for right now this works for still photography and time lapses. It's a good option. Here's just an example of this hang off of glass. I'm only going to use 2 suctions just to show you how strong it is. There, so it's holding just with 2 of them. And then here's just 2 of these suctions, so you can see it's pretty tight. Look, I can't even. Wow, that's really good suction. Yeah, that's really good. That's it's silicone, not plastic, so I know the difference because I had really cheap suction before, and this is good quality.